St. James Academy community, it's Tylicki here, standing on our beautiful field in our Marian Stadium. We're looking so forward to opening up the stadium this Friday night with St. Thomas Aquinas, a soccer game out on our field, and then bringing Bishop Miege out here the following Friday for a football game. Unfortunately, our Crucifix is delayed. It's in transit right now from Germany. It's going to land in Texas hopefully by the end of the week. But we don't think we're going to have our beautiful Crucifix up by our first games. So we're really looking forward to it. It's a beautiful piece of art that we're going to have on our campus, but it's not going to be here for our first events, which we're really sad about, but that's just the way things happen sometimes when you're working in construction. So we're really looking forward to seeing everybody this coming Friday for the Aquinas game and next Friday for the Bishop Miege football game. We're so grateful for all the support that we received over the last year and a half to get this place built, and we're really looking forward to it. But the Crucifix will be here soon, and you're going to love it. It's going to be beautiful, but it just won't be here for our first event. So we look forward to seeing you next Friday. God bless.